Come here. Good job. Oh. Walking to sister. Oh. Well,
remember what we talked about?
We tried.
Not pushing her over. Remember how we talked about just holding her and not falling over with her?
It's okay, Anna.
It's okay.
It's okay, Lucy. Come here. Come here, stand next to me, and let's watch Anna walk.
Are you okay?
Come here. Hold my hand. It's for fun. It's okay. Sweet. Say, come here, Anna. Say, come here, Anna. Good job. Good job. Say, good job, Anna. Ah, can you walk to Mommy and Lucy? Can you walk to Mommy and Lucy, too? Hey, walk to Mommy and Lucy.
Come here. Come on. Anna.
Distracted.
Anna.
Anna, come here. Come here.
She might come if you call her. Come here. Oh, here she comes. Come here. Come on. Here she comes.
Good job, girl.
You're a good sister. She's balancing on you. Can you walk to Daddy? No close sisters here. Anna, can you walk to Daddy? Daddy?
Hey, are you walking to me? Come on. Whoa, you're so fast. I caught you.
Whoa.
Whee! Good job. Good job.
Do you want to walk to Daddy? I'll trade places.
Can you walk?
Anna, can you walk to Mommy?
Whoa! Good job, Lucy. Crawling races.
Oh! I'm not sure who would win a crawling race, actually. Well, no,
Say, come here, Anna.
Whoa!
Whoa! She was running.
You're all right.
Were you running, Anna? Yeah, she took off running. Oh, whoa.
I know she's pulling your shirt. It's bothering me.
Can you walk that way? Say, come on.
Come here, Anna. Mama. Oh. You're okay.
It's okay.
Yeah.
Say bye.
Bye.
Lucy, can you say bye?